Welcome to Martinez Law Center. We're dedicated to protecting California tenants and ensuring you understand your rights under the law. Today, we're breaking down the 2025 rent control laws that every renter needs to know to stay protected from illegal rent increases and wrongful evictions. Understanding AB 1482, California's statewide rent cap. Under AB 1482, the Tenant Protection Act, most California landlords can only raise rent once every 12 months, with increases capped at 5% plus local inflation, or 10% total, whichever is lower. After living in your unit for 12 months, you gain just cause eviction protection, meaning your landlord must have a valid legal reason to evict you. These protections apply to most rental properties built over 15 years ago. Notice requirements you must receive. Landlords must provide 30 days written notice for rent increases of 10% or less. If the increase exceeds 10% on exempt properties, they must give you 90 days notice. Failure to provide proper notice makes the increase invalid, and you have the right to challenge it. Properties exempt from rent control. Some properties are exempt from the 10% cap. New construction with certificates of occupancy issued within the last 15 years, single-family homes or condos not owned by corporations with proper written disclosure, and owner-occupied duplexes. However, even exempt properties must follow state notice requirements and cannot impose retaliatory or discriminatory increases. Stronger protections under SB 567. Effective April 1, 2024, SB 567 strengthened tenant protections against bad faith evictions. For owner move-in evictions, the owner or qualifying family member must move in within 90 days and stay for at least 12 consecutive months. Landlords must provide 1 month's rent as relocation assistance. If they fail to comply, you can sue for treble damages, 3 times your actual damages, plus attorney's fees. Local rent control laws offer even more protection. Many California cities have stricter local ordinances. San Francisco, Los Angeles, Santa Monica, and other cities often cap increases as low as 1.4% to 3% for 2025. Always check your local rent control board, as these local laws take precedence over state law and provide greater tenant protections. At-fault versus no-fault evictions. At-fault evictions require tenant misconduct like non-payment of rent, lease violations, criminal activity, or refusing lawful entry. No-fault evictions occur when landlords need the property back for owner move-ins, substantial remodels requiring permits, or withdrawal from the rental market. For no-fault evictions, landlords must provide relocation assistance or waive your final month's rent. At Martinez Law Center, we exclusively represent tenants, never landlords, in Orange County, Riverside, San Diego, and Los Angeles. Visit martinezlawcenter.com to learn how we can protect your rights against illegal rent increases and wrongful evictions.